Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Figure questions get sneaky fast, but this one is simple if you compare how survival changes between concentrations instead of just staring at one point. Start by reading the graph across concentrations, not down one line. From 0.05 to 0.10 micromolar, the HAP curve drops more sharply than the Dacker curves, and that difference matters. That directly supports the claim about a greater decrease for HAP cells over that interval. We are comparing change between two concentrations, and the resistant lines show a smaller drop. The other choice is overreach, because the graph does not show equal DACR survival everywhere, and HAPE is not lower than DACR at every concentration. Well done. Option B, scan now. Avoid rushing signs and single points. Trust the given graph and check the change across steps before choosing.